We have a battery out of a 315 SnapNGo. We are going to check the fuses in the battery. First thing, it would be good to make sure that the battery is turned off. We have 4 screws in the top of the battery that we need to replace. This screw is longer than this screw here, so you'll have 2 long screws and 2 short screws. Okay, then we're going to take the top off. Now the top is off. There are 2 fuses that we have to check. We have a fuse here. This one is a 5 amp fuse. It goes to the charge port, which is here on your battery. We have the fuse out. We can visually inspect the fuse to make sure that the link is not blowing. The other fuse is the main fuse for the battery. It is a 30 amp fuse. And we can also check the link to make sure that it is not blowing. We want to make sure that we get the caps back on the fuse holder. We want to make sure that we do not over tighten the fuses because it will strip out the socket that it fits into. To test the battery, we can turn the battery on. And we have 3 green lights, which means it's fully charged.